Burger Rippy over to West Liberty for the festival Monday the 4th of September. And they're running the mill. They're not going to put a log on, but they're edging some boards. Got a nice little gas job. People are here. Beautiful day. He's got that Milwaukee fuel chainsaw there. There's an old vintage fire truck from here. And Trace Actions played here Saturday night. I'm here to watch the go-kart races on dirt. At 1 o'clock. Ran back over here, got my chores done early, cleaned up, and it's a beautiful little ride over here. See, this door flips open. And that door's a roll down door. And as far as I know, this stays closed up all year. And for Monday afternoon, there's quite a few people here and tractors left. There's someone I know over there. Got that one log left. These locust trees lying down through here. Beautiful show tractor. They do vintage softball or baseball. There's the bull ring for those go-karts. I'm watching them on dirt. There's a horseshoe pit, a professional, funny looking elevator, and but here's where their dust is going right into this dumpster, through the pit and the carriage and the frick and the shed. This is an antique road grader, some flitches. Some junk, but ash, cherry, hickory, and red oak, and elm. Beautiful lumber. Ash, cherry, hickory, elm, and red oak. Over here at the Sawmill at West Liberty Fest. Some beautiful lumber. They edged it themselves and everything. Didn't mess around. A nice show tractor. Yeah, he's putting the tractor away and everything. That's what we got here just in the nick of time. Get the last minute deals this way. Thanks for watching, everyone. Burger Rippy.